Baby, which one do you like? Oh, baby chose red color first. Baby. Oh, baby. Oh yeah, sorry. Baby, which one do you like, baby? Which one? Oh my God, baby chose red color. Wow, baby so smart, baby. Baby can choose the color between yellow and red. Baby choose the red color. Wow, you are so smart, boy. Like red color. Wow, so smart.
Anh em cây sâu khiếp.
Mặc quần thọ cho mình luôn nè. Baby, play it. Wow, baby. Baby like color pepper, especially which one? I know you like all the color, but especially a red color baby like the most.